Have you ever wondered who would win in a fight between a crocodile and a python? Well, we're here to delve into this ultimate showdown. Let's first get to know our contenders. On one side, we have the mighty crocodile, an ancient species that has roamed the earth for over 200 million years. With a length reaching up to 20 feet and a weight of up to 2,000 pounds, crocodiles are formidable opponents. Their long, powerful tails aid them in swimming and in launching sudden attacks. The crocodile's jaws, capable of exerting a bone-crushing pressure of nearly 3,700 pounds per square inch, are another remarkable weapon in their arsenal. But it's not just all brawn. Crocodiles are also known for their strategic hunting techniques, often lurking just below the water's surface, patiently waiting for the perfect moment to strike. On the other side, we have the python, one of the world's longest snakes. Pythons can grow up to 30 feet in length and are known for their incredible strength. They are constrictors, meaning they squeeze their prey to death rather than using venom. The python wraps its coils around its prey, and with every exhale of the victim, the python tightens its grip, leaving no room for a breath back in. This is a slow, yet effective method of hunting. Pythons are also equipped with heat-sensing pits along their jaws, which allow them to detect warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness. So, who has the upper hand in this hypothetical battle? The crocodile, with its brute strength and crushing jaws, or the python, with its constrictive power and thermal detection abilities? It's a close call. These two creatures are masters of their domains, each possessing unique adaptations that have allowed them to survive and thrive in their respective environments. With these impressive abilities, it's tough to say who'd come out on top, but let's delve into what a hypothetical battle might look like. Picture this: a crocodile and a python meet on the banks of a river. The tension is palpable. In the heart of the wilderness, two of nature's most formidable creatures lock eyes. The air is thick with anticipation, an unspoken understanding passing between them. On one side, we have the crocodile, a prehistoric powerhouse, known for its armored skin and a jaw strength that can crush bones like twigs. On the other, the python, a stealthy, muscular predator, capable of squeezing the life out of its prey in a heartbeat. The crocodile, with its cold reptilian eyes, sizes up the python, its gaze never wavering. It's an eerie calm before the storm, a moment of silence that's almost deafening, and then, without warning, the crocodile lunges, its powerful jaws snapping open and shut with a force that could easily shatter bones. The python, however, is not an easy target. It moves with a speed that belies its massive size, slithering away from the crocodile's attack. But the python isn't just on the defensive. It responds to the crocodile's aggression with a show of strength of its own. With a swift, fluid motion, the python attempts to wrap its long, coiling body around the crocodile. It's a classic python move, using its powerful constriction to immobilize and suffocate its adversary. The crocodile, however, is not an easy prey. It fights back, thrashing and rolling, using its powerful tail and claws to try to break free from the python's grip. The battle between these two titans of the animal kingdom is a display of raw, primal power. It's a dance as old as time, a struggle for survival where only the strongest prevail. Each creature is giving it their all, their survival instincts in overdrive. The fight is on, and it's a fierce one. But what could happen next? The python, wrapped around the crocodile, is squeezing with all its might. But the crocodile isn't giving up that easily. In this fierce battle between two of nature's most formidable creatures, a turning point could come from either side. The python, with its muscular body, could decide to increase the pressure, constricting the crocodile even further. The strength of a python's constriction is truly awe-inspiring, capable of stopping the heart of its prey with a force that can reach up to 90 pounds per square inch. This would be like having a school bus pressing down on your chest, leaving the crocodile with no room to breathe or move. However, the crocodile is not without its own arsenal of weapons. One potential turning point could be the crocodile's powerful tail, a formidable weapon in its own right. With a swift and powerful lash, the crocodile could disorient the python, possibly even causing it to loosen its grip. This would provide the crocodile with the much-needed opportunity to break free from the python's deadly embrace. The tail of a crocodile is not just a swimming aid, but also a weapon that can deliver a blow as strong as a sledgehammer. The crocodile also has one more weapon up its sleeve, its notorious death roll. The crocodile could try to twist and turn its body in a rapid spinning motion, a move designed to disorient, stun, or even kill its prey. If successful, this could be the game changer the crocodile needs to turn the tide in its favor. The battle is a true test of strength, strategy, and survival instincts. Each move, each decision, could spell the difference between life and death. The python and the crocodile, both masters of their respective domains, are locked in a battle of wills, each waiting for the other to make a mistake. With each passing moment, the stakes get higher and the fight more intense, but who will emerge victorious? As the battle rages on, both the crocodile and the python are giving it their all. But there can only be one winner. We're in the final stretch now, where every move counts. The tension is palpable. It's a power play between two of nature's most formidable creatures. Imagine, if you will, the crocodile using its raw power to its advantage. The crocodile, a prehistoric beast, has a bite force that is virtually unrivaled in the animal kingdom. Its jaws can snap shut with a force of nearly 2,000 pounds per square inch. If the crocodile manages to get a firm grip on the python, it could very well be game over. The python, despite its impressive size and strength, would find it hard to escape the crushing jaws of the crocodile. But let's not discount the python just yet. This reptile is a master of constriction. It can wrap its long, muscular body around its opponent, squeezing tighter and tighter with each exhale of the victim. If the python can manage to wrap itself around the crocodile, it could slowly squeeze the life out of the mighty croc. These creatures have been known to constrict and swallow prey much larger than themselves. It's a slow and terrifying end, but it's an end nonetheless. The stakes are high and the pressure is on. It's a match of strength versus agility, of brute force against cunning strategy. It's a clash of titans, a true testament to the raw, untamed power of nature. And as we watch this epic struggle unfold, we're reminded of the brutal reality of the natural world. As we anticipate the final act of this dramatic encounter, it's important to remember that this isn't a spectacle for our amusement. This is survival. This is life and death for these creatures. This is a battle fought not for glory, but for survival. It's a close call, and the outcome is anything but certain. But one thing is for sure, it's a showdown like no other. After a grueling battle, the dust settles. But who stands victorious? It's a question that lingers in the air, as palpable as the tension that once hung between our two formidable opponents. The crocodile, a prehistoric powerhouse, and the python, a constrictive colossus, are both apex predators. Each boasts a unique set of strengths that could tip the scales in their favor in a head-to-head showdown. Let's take a moment to remind ourselves of the attributes that make these creatures such formidable opponents. The crocodile, with its armored skin and powerful jaws, is a force to be reckoned with. Its strength lies in the water, where it can execute a deadly death roll, using its weight and power to subdue its prey. On the other hand, the python is a master of stealth and strength. Its ability to silently approach its prey and strike with lightning speed is unparalleled. It possesses immense power in its coils, enough to constrict and suffocate prey many times its size. The outcome of a battle between these two giants of nature could go either way, depending on a multitude of factors. The environment plays a critical role. Is the fight happening on land or in water? The crocodile has the advantage in the water, while the python has the upper hand on land. The element of surprise is also a game changer. A sneak attack from either creature could turn the tide in their favor. When all is said and done, this isn't a simple case of the strongest wins. It's a complex interplay of strength, strategy, and survival instincts. Each creature has its unique strengths and weaknesses, and each has evolved to be a top predator in its own right. In the end, the outcome of a fight between a crocodile and a python is unpredictable, but one thing is certain: it would be